Today, we are going to discuss how to change the column width and the row height. Okay. So after discussing this, we are also going to discuss how to hide and unhide the rows and columns, how to merge the cells, align the cell contents. This much we are going to discuss today. So we'll start from changing the column width and row height. So first you have to open your Excel sheet. Then to change the width of the column or height of the row, you have to follow some steps. First step, you have to go to the home button, home tab. Okay. Next, you can go to the cell option here, and then on the cell option, you can click on the format. As you can see, it is highlighted. You can go to these options. Okay. So first thing is, first you have to go to your home option. Then you have to go to the cell. Then you will click on the format option. The format option is here. Okay. So you can go there and then you can click on the format option. Then when you click on the format option, you will find step 2. What you do, you have to decide whether you want to adjust the row height or the column height. Suppose row height. Row height will go, we'll click on it, and your row height values you have to click. Suppose I have given some value, suppose let us take 20. So what happens? You will see that it is changed to row height changed to 20 pixels or 20 points. So you can increase that one also. Suppose I have given 50 minutes, you can see that the width of this row is increasing. Okay, out of it I have given. So this one, the letters are not visible. So we want to, in order to make it width, the row height we are going to make more. So suppose I have given 50, we'll see that it changed and it has shown to in your, it has changed the row height. Similarly, you can change the column height also. Same thing, go to the home with the cell option, then click on the format, then you will have column width. You can give the column width. Suppose here 3.4310, I have given suppose 10. So what happened? You can see that the width of the column has increased. You can look at here, this column will change this column. You can see that whether it is increasing or not. Okay. So suppose I have selected this one, then I click it, column width. Suppose now I'm giving 20. So you can see that the column is increased. So like that, the column width also can be increased. Same procedure. You'll go to the home tab, then you will go to the cell ribbon, then you will click on the format, then whether you want to row height or column height, you can choose that. Next topic, we'll discuss hide column, hide or unhide your column and row. Okay. You can hide your column and rows. You can hide column or rows. Okay, column and rows. Okay. So how to do that one? The steps are, you first will select which column or row you want to hide. Suppose this row we want to hide. Second number row we want to hide. So what you will do? We'll go to the home tab, then cell group. Okay. After that cell group, you say again go to the format button and then click on hide and hide option. Here you can see hide and unhide option. Here you can what you can do, you can click on the hide rows. Suppose I want to hide the rows, so I'll click on hide rows. So you'll see that rows being hidden. Okay. So like that, suppose I want to hide. Again, you have to reback or want the hidden rows should be visible. Then what you do? Again, you will go to the home tab. Then you will go to the cell group. Then click on the format. Then you will click on the hide and hide. Then below there is unhide row is there. You click in it and you get the unhide of the pages. Clear? Same procedure for your column also. Suppose H column, this H column, we have to hide it. Same thing procedure. You will go to the home tab. Then again to the cell column, home tab, then cell your cell group. Then you can do the format. Again hide and unhide. Then you will click on the hide columns. So we'll click on it. You will see that your edge is now not visible. To make it visible again, you go to the home tab. Click on the you will go to the cell group. Then you click on the format. Then again hide and unhide, and then again unhide columns. And again you will get the unhide columns. So this is how you can hide or unhide your selected columns or rows. Okay. Next, we'll discuss about how to merge cells. So this one is already merged. So first I will show you how to unmerge is splitting that one. So let me first merging. I will show you merging. So suppose I have written here hello, and here I have written word. So hello and here word. So we want to join these two words. These two words are written in different cells. So we want to add this or merge them. So what we'll do, we'll select these two cells, then right click on it. Okay, this is also, or else if you go through your tabs, you can do that. The steps are you select the cells which one you want to merge, then you will click on the merge center. Okay, so you will go to the merge and center button on the home tab. You will go to the home tab. Okay, then there is your merge. Okay, this one is not added. Okay, I have not selected the cells, so that's why it's not showing. Okay, now we'll see that we have selected the two cells. Then the alignment is merge center here. In alignment group, go to the home, alignment group, merge center is here. You will click on it. We'll see that merge and center, merge across, merge cells. So we'll do merge cells. Okay, so suppose merge cells means what happens? Okay, wrong option I made. Okay. Okay. First we'll do the empty, then I'll explain that one. So you will click on the merge cells. So these two cells merged. You will see that no middle line is there. Okay, for convenient, I'll draw a border inside it. Okay, let merge this much cells. Okay. No. Sorry. So we have this cells. So we want to make this cells a one big cell. So what we'll do, we'll select all this. Then you'll go to the home tab, then alignment, then merge cells. So you'll see that all cells were merged together. Okay. So these two also can be merged. But then you can click on the right click and then another step, right click and then go to the format. Then you will see that alignment. Here is options there, merge cells. You click on it. The section of multiple data will use it. Okay. So data are so hello world we can. So, okay. So data is we have written on that's why it is deleting it. So hello world is in a one cell. Like that you can merge cells also. So merge center means this one is merge left hand side. So no you will merge center means it will merge and center. You click on merge and center means it will be merged and it will be centered. So whatever we write, it will start from center. So if we'll write here hello world, means it will from center, or anything else you write. So whatever you will write means, you'll see that I'm trying to delete, but it is in the middle. That means from the center it will start. Anything you write means it will start from center. Okay. It will start from center. Okay. So next one is hide and unhide. We have done our alignment. Sorry, merging cells. Then is aligning cell contents. How you can align the cell contents? Suppose I have written here hello. Okay, so let me make this a little bit bolder, and the size will increase that one 20. Okay, so the cell contains where it is it one is, this is the cell, and the content is situated in the bottom. Okay, so we can align the contents according to our wish, where we want, in the middle or the side or the top of that one we can do it. So how to do it? So home tab, you will go to the alignment. You can see here some options are there, that is top alignment. This one, the first one is top alignment, and the middle alignment, and this one is your bottom alignment, and this one is your says that align the text right left, and this one align the text in the center, and this one is align the text in the right hand side. Okay, so you can go to the home and go to the home. You'll go to the home, then you can click on the alignment to see all the options given if you want. Okay, so let us try. The hello is here. Suppose I will click on the okay, I will click on the top alignment. So what happens? You can see that hello is gone to the top. If I click on the middle alignment, neither top nor the bit bottom, it is in the middle. If bottom means it is in the bottom. If left alignment means the word will, suppose you can see that left alignment, the hello is in the left hand side. If I make it middle alignment, it will come to the middle. If I make it right alignment means it will be in the right align. Okay, indent, increase, indent, decrease. So suppose I will decrease indent means it will decrease its 1 space. Okay, increase means it will go to the increasing 1 space towards right hand side. So decrease indent, increase indent. Then orientation is another one. Orientation means how your letter should be placed. So let me place it in the middle, and then we'll do orientation. Orientation symbol is this one in the top. If I angle counterwise, so you see that it is angled counterwise. Then again you will change angle clockwise, then vertical text, normally what we are using. Okay. Okay, next is rotate text up. So upside it will write, text down, downside it will write. Okay. Next, so many options are there. Format cell alignments, you can do it. So we'll do it in the normal way, vertical text. Suppose we have kept like this. So you can change the orientation of the your text also. So these are the things today we have discussed. For now, goodbye.